Welcome to our journey through the lush landscapes of Jamaica, where we'll uncover some of the most beautiful animals that call this island home. This jewel of the Caribbean, sculpted by ancient volcanoes and fringed by turquoise waters, is more than just a paradise for sunseekers. It is an ark, a sanctuary forged in isolation, where life has taken unique and extraordinary turns. Here, evolution has painted with a vibrant palette, crafting creatures found nowhere else on Earth, each a testament to the island's rich ecological heritage and its power to nurture the diverse and the distinct. Our exploration today will take us deep into the heart of this biodiversity, from the sun-drenched canopies of its rainforests to the shadowy recesses of its limestone caves and across the rugged terrain of its interior mountains. We shall seek out not just the flamboyant and the famed, but also the quiet, unassuming inhabitants whose lives are intricately woven into the fabric of this island ecosystem. Each creature we encounter tells a story of adaptation, survival, and the delicate balance that sustains life in this remarkable corner of our planet, a narrative of natural history unfolding before our very eyes. Join me, Jeff, as we embark on this visual odyssey to witness the splendor of Jamaica's wildlife. We'll delve into the secret lives of these animals, understanding their behaviors, their challenges, and their profound significance. It is a chance to connect with a world often unseen, to appreciate the intricate web of life that thrives here, and to perhaps foster a deeper understanding of why these natural treasures are so vital, not just to Jamaica, but to the world at large. Prepare to be captivated by the island's hidden marvels. Our first encounter brings us face to face with a true relic of a bygone era, the Jamaican iguana. Clad in scales of muted grey and subtle olive green, this magnificent reptile carries an air of ancient wisdom. Its powerful limbs and formidable crest of dorsal spines speak of a lineage stretching back millions of years, a living testament to nature's enduring designs. Once widespread across the island, this impressive creature now clings to existence in the remote sun-baked limestone forests of the Hellshire Hills, a final bastion for a species that has witnessed the dramatic transformation of its island home over millennia. It is a creature perfectly attuned to this harsh, dry environment. The story of the Jamaican iguana is one of remarkable survival against considerable odds. For decades it was thought to be extinct, a casualty of habitat loss and the relentless pressure from introduced predators, particularly the insidious mongoose and feral dogs, which prey upon their vulnerable young and eggs. Its rediscovery in 1990 was a beacon of hope, sparking intensive conservation efforts. Dedicated teams now work tirelessly, employing captive breeding programs and predator control, striving to pull this ancient mariner back from the brink, to ensure its distinctive silhouette continues to grace the Jamaican landscape for generations to come. This is a battle for survival fought daily. Primarily herbivorous, the Jamaican iguana plays a vital role in its ecosystem. It forages amongst the dense undergrowth, consuming a wide variety of leaves, fruits and flowers, acting as an important disperser of seeds, thereby helping to regenerate the very forest that sustains it. One might observe them basking stoically in the tropical sun, absorbing its warmth to fuel their cold-blooded metabolism, their watchful eyes ever alert. Their resilience is extraordinary, a quiet strength that underscores the urgent need for our continued vigilance and protection, for in saving the iguana, we preserve a unique chapter of Earth's evolutionary story. From the ancient reptile, we turn our gaze skywards to witness a creature of dazzling aerial artistry, the red-billed streamer-tail. Known affectionately across the island as the doctor bird, this remarkable hummingbird is not merely a resident, it is an icon proudly serving as Jamaica's national bird. The male, in particular, is a breathtaking spectacle. His body, a shimmering cascade of iridescent emerald green, catches the light with every minuscule movement, and from his tail extend two impossibly long black streamers that flow behind him like silken ribbons as he navigates the air with unparalleled grace. His slender, decurved bill, a vibrant crimson, is perfectly adapted for its life-sustaining task. The doctor bird is a masterpiece of aerodynamic engineering. Its wings, beating at an almost invisible blur up to 70 times per second, allow it to hover with absolute precision, to dart forwards, backwards, even upside down, as it sips nectar from the island's abundant blossoms. It is a tireless forager, a tiny engine of activity moving from flower to flower, a vital pollinator ensuring the continuation of many plant species. The whirring sound of its wings, often described as a hum, is a characteristic note in the symphony of the Jamaican countryside, a constant reminder of the vibrant life that pulses through these verdant lands. Its energy seems boundless, a tiny jewel in perpetual motion. Found throughout Jamaica, from the manicured gardens of coastal resorts to the wild, untamed interiors of the mountainous cloud forests, the red-billed streamertail has woven itself deeply into the cultural fabric of the island. Its image adorns currency and artwork, and its name is whispered in folklore, often associated with healing and good fortune. To observe one is to witness a fleeting moment of pure, unadulterated natural beauty, a tiny ambassador of Jamaica's rich biodiversity, its vibrant colors a reflection of the island's own vivacious spirit. It is a bird that truly captures the imagination. Chapter 3. As dusk settles over the island, a different kind of hunter begins to stir. We now seek out the Jamaican boa, known locally as the yellow snake. This is Jamaica's largest native terrestrial predator, an impressive serpent that can reach lengths of over 2 meters. Its beautifully patterned skin, a mosaic of tan, yellow, and blackish-brown blotches, provides exquisite camouflage amidst the leaf litter and branches of its forest home, rendering it almost invisible to the untrained eye as it lies in wait or glides silently through the undergrowth. It is a creature of stealth and patience, a master of the nocturnal realm. The Jamaican boa is a constrictor and entirely non-venomous. It relies on its formidable strength and ambush tactics to secure its meals. Emerging from its daytime retreat, perhaps a hollow log, a rock crevice, or even the rafters of an old building, it uses its keen senses to detect the warmth and movement of prey. Rodents, birds, bats, and even occasionally the young of the Jamaican hootia may fall victim to its swift, silent strike. Once seized, the prey is quickly enveloped in powerful coils, succumbing not to venom, but to suffocation, a highly efficient method honed over millions of years of evolution. This snake is a vital component of the island's ecological balance. Despite its crucial role in controlling populations of rats and other potential pests, the Jamaican boa often faces persecution due to fear and misunderstanding. Habitat destruction and fragmentation also pose significant threats to its survival, as its forest domains shrink under human pressure. Education is key to its conservation, helping to dispel myths and foster an appreciation for this magnificent reptile. Observing a Jamaican boa in its natural habitat is a rare privilege, a glimpse into the secret nocturnal life of an island predator that performs an invaluable service, silently maintaining the health of its ecosystem under the cover of darkness. Chapter 4. Our next subject is a creature of quiet disposition and considerable rarity, the Jamaican hootia, or coney as it is often called. This medium-sized rodent is the only surviving native land mammal on the island, apart from bats with its dense brownish fur, small ears and short tail. It might remind one of a robust guinea pig or a miniature capybara. It is a shy and predominantly nocturnal animal, preferring the sanctuary of dense forests, rocky hillsides and limestone cave systems, which makes direct observation a challenging yet rewarding endeavor for the patient naturalist. The hootia is an accomplished climber and often forages in trees, though it is equally at home navigating the complex terrain of its rocky habitats. Its diet is entirely herbivorous, consisting of a wide array of leaves, fruits, bark and roots. This gentle grazer plays a subtle but important role in the ecosystem, influencing vegetation patterns through its feeding habits and potentially contributing to seed dispersal. Historically, it would have been a more significant prey item for predators like the Jamaican boa, forming an integral link in the island's food web. Its secretive nature has allowed it to persist, albeit in reduced numbers, in a changing world. Unfortunately, the Jamaican hootia faces a precarious future. Habitat loss due to deforestation for agriculture and development continues to shrink its available living space. Furthermore, it is vulnerable to predation by introduced species such as dogs, cats, and the ever-present mongoose. conservation efforts are focused on protecting its remaining habitats and raising awareness about its plight. Understanding the ecology of this unique island endemic is crucial if we are to ensure that the quiet rustling of the hutia in the undergrowth remains a part of Jamaica's natural soundscape for years to come. It is a small mammal with a large claim on our conservation conscience. Chapter 5. Our final focus is a tiny marvel, a flash of iridescent green that darts through the Jamaican woodlands, the Jamaican toady. This diminutive bird, scarcely larger than a human thumb, is a true gem of the avian world. Its plumage is a startlingly bright, almost electric green on its upper parts, contrasting sharply with a brilliant crimson throat patch, a pale yellowish belly, and touches of pink on its flanks. Its relatively long, flattened bill, perfectly designed for its feeding habits, adds to its distinctive and endearing appearance. It is a living jewel, a tiny explosion of color against the verdant backdrop of its home. Despite its small size, the Jamaican toady is a bird of bold character and boundless energy. It is often seen perched conspicuously on an open twig, head cocked, keenly scanning its surroundings for insect prey. With a sudden, swift sally, it launches into the air, snatching an insect with an audible snap of its bill before returning to its perch or another nearby. Its call, a distinctive, almost mechanical BBB, is a frequent sound in suitable habitats. For nesting, these industrious little birds excavate burrows, often several feet long, into earthen banks or rotten logs, a considerable feat for such a small creature. Endemic to Jamaica, the toady is a specialist insectivore, playing an important role in regulating insect populations within its forest and woodland ecosystems. It is a delight for birdwatchers and a symbol of the island's unique avifauna. Its confiding nature often allows for close observation, providing moments of intimate connection with the wild. The Jamaican toady, with its vibrant colors and spirited behavior, is a perfect embodiment of the delicate beauty and ecological richness that this Caribbean island so carefully nurtures. It is a tiny testament to the grand diversity of life. As our exploration of Jamaica's remarkable fauna draws to a close, we are left with a profound appreciation for the sheer diversity and unique beauty encapsulated within this island paradise. From the ancient resilience of the Jamaican iguana to the dazzling aerial ballet of the red-billed streamer-tail and the silent nocturnal prowess of the boa, each creature we have encountered is a masterpiece of evolution, perfectly sculpted by the distinct pressures and opportunities of its island home. The elusive hutia and the vibrant toady further enrich this tapestry of life, reminding us that even the smallest inhabitants play crucial roles. The intricate web of life we have glimpsed is a delicate one, its threads easily frayed by the encroachment of human activity and the introduction of alien species. The survival of these endemic wonders is intrinsically linked to the health of their habitats, the forests, the caves, the mountainsides. It underscores a universal truth, that the well-being of wildlife and the preservation of their environments are not merely an aesthetic concern, but a fundamental necessity for the ecological balance of our planet, and indeed for our own future. Conservation is not a choice, but a responsibility. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Jamaica's most beautiful animals. We hope this journey has kindled a deeper connection with these incredible creatures and the vibrant ecosystems they inhabit. The natural world is full of such wonders, each deserving of our admiration and our protection. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife content as we continue to unveil the breathtaking biodiversity our planet has to offer.